In this video, you're going to see how to freeze a frame in Adobe Premiere Pro, followed by what are the uses of doing this, if in case you don't know. First, let's see how to edit it, and later I'll share the uses. After opening the Premiere Pro, add the clips to the timeline. Next, move the playhead to the point where you want to freeze the frame. You can also use the left and right arrow keys on the keyboard, tapping once to move frame by frame. Once you are okay with that, right click on the clip and select Add Frame Hold to make the rest of the clip as a still image. If you want to add only that still frame and let the rest of the video keep playing, you can choose Insert Frame Hold Segment. This way, you can change the length of the still image as per your needs. And after that, the rest of the video starts playing normally. So this is how you can add a frame hold or a freeze frame in Adobe Premiere Pro. Now, coming to the uses, freeze frames in Premiere Pro let you pause a video at one moment and turn it into a still picture. This helps you highlight important details, add text or graphics, and create dramatic pauses so viewers understand something better. Freeze frames are also useful for explaining steps in tutorials, telling stories, and creating thumbnails or images for social media, because they let you focus on one key moment with the video moving. I use this option a lot whenever I'm telling the tutorial based videos. Even in this video also I used it a lot, but you cannot notice that. So that's the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and subscribe if you haven't done it yet. See you again in the next video.